In 2025, the Garden Gang are back. A sleeping beast, the legendary Horace the Hedgehog, is soon to awaken from his hibernation sleep. We'll see the return of all our wildlife friends. Squirrel Nutkin and his family of fluffy-tailed food smugglers, Ratty the resident rodent, the Hedgehog clan, Crafty Cat, Shadow, the adorable Derek the field mouse. Everyone will be returning for a new season. This footage was just recorded this week. The high-definition 4K trail cams are being dusted down, and we're ready. Make sure you don't miss a second of fun and frolics with the Garden Gang in 2025. Like, subscribe, enjoy.